She was blank yesterday at 7 p.m. Is it studied, or steady? Remember that after am, is, are, was, and were are verbs in its ing form. So, hanapin dito yung choice na may ing. So, this one, the correct answer here is studying. Number 2, Alice didn't blank last night. Is it read, reads, reading? Remember that after don't, doesn't, and didn't are the verbs in its base form. So, no D or ED or no past tense, no ing, no S or ES. Hanapin dito ang verb na nasa base form. So, read, reads, reading is read. She didn't read last night. Number 3, Emily and Paris are blank to the party. Is it go, goes, or going? What's the correct answer here? Let me know in the comments. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and share this video.
Where is the umbrella blank I borrowed from Anna?
Is it who, that, or where? Before you answer, remember who is used after a person, and that is used after a thing, and where is used after a place. So umbrella here is not a person, it's not a place, so it's a thing. So the correct answer is that. Number 2, this is the school blank I teach. Remember, when is used for time, which is used for thing, and where is used after a place. School here is not a time and it's not a thing. It's a place, right? So, the correct answer is where. This is the school where I teach. How about number 3? I can recall the day blank we first met. Is it when, which, or where? Remember, this is day and it is a time. So what do you think now is the correct answer? Kindly share it in the comments. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Blank I borrow your pen. Is it can or may? Before you answer, remember that can is used to express ability or kakayahan. Ginagamit natin to kapag nag-express tayo na kaya natin or hindi natin kaya ang isang bagay. We use may naman if we seek permission. Kapag nanghihingi tayo ng pahintulot. Okay? So, going back to that sentence, blank I borrow your pen is asking for the permission kung pwede niyang hiramin yung pen, right? So, the correct answer here is may. May I borrow your pen? Okay, how about number 2? Blank you play volleyball. Is it can or may? Let me know in the comments. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and share this video.